Hey guys, welcome back to new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the loose starter pull cord on two-stroke engine. As you can see, it's not going in. First thing before you start, you get 3 bolts out of here, which I have done already, and take up the top part. Once you take that cover off, you bring to this position, get the cord here, get the cord, and turn this way until it gets tight. One more, and see how it goes. That's all. So if you can fix the pull cord, if you have to change this, you gotta take the 3 bolts out. I will show you. Okay, be careful not to damage the wiring. That's the wiring there. It's not in good condition. You gotta replace that. It's very bad. Put it back in. Put the bolts in the order where you take it out from. And once you tight that, and that's all done. And here we go. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep watching. I got more videos.